All right. Well, I was going to show you, it's been about 2 weeks, how we're doing on the tobacco. We got it in pots and it's growing really well, like a weed. Some of these smaller ones are more recently transplanted, but we saved quite a few out of the ground, so we did good. And me and Maxie here, little Max, me and Maxer, we're going to tell you, since it's America's 250th anniversary, how tobacco kind of helped create America in its own way. So for that, we have to go all the way back to the original 13 colonies, and the very first one, which was not the Mayflower in Plymouth, Massachusetts, like you've been taught, 1620. It was actually Jamestown, Virginia, 1607. And it was a money-making venture. For the last 100 years, Spain had been sending ships to the Americas and bringing back shiploads of gold and silver. So England wanted a part of that. So that's why they set up colonies in America. Jamestown was not the very first, but it was the first one that stuck and stayed and is still there today. So those 13 colonies of ours started in Jamestown, Virginia, 1607. Well, they were having a hard time. By 1610, 1611, they had gone from 500 people to about 60. And the backers in England were not getting any gold or silver shipped home. And they were about ready to pull the plug. Well, a guy named John Rolfe, 1610, ends up shipwrecked in the Caribbean. And while down there, he gets a hold of Spanish tobacco seeds. Because for the last 100 years, tobacco was being introduced all over the world by the Spanish. And the Spanish kept a tight lock on seeds. And in Virginia, they were trying to grow tobacco, and they were growing the Indian rustica kind that nobody wanted. Super high in nicotine, very harsh tasting. Right, Maxie? So John Rolfe gets a hold of good Spanish tobacco seeds and brings them to Jamestown. And he plants them. And within a couple years, everybody in Jamestown was growing tobacco. And this became the real gold. Within a couple years, it was 20,000 pounds. Then it was up to 50,000 pounds being shipped back to England. And that was the foothold of English-speaking America right there. That was the first colony of our 13 colonies. And that's the beginning. And now it's 250 years since we declared independence. America's 250-year anniversary. So happy birthday, America, and happy birthday. Thank you to tobacco for helping to create that country of ours that we love so much. So happy Independence Day, everybody. And we'll keep you updated on how this grow is happening. Have a happy, safe 4th of July. Thank you.